Baby farm animals. Let's learn the names of animal babies at the farm. A baby cow is called a pedhet. A baby dog is called a ASU. A baby cat is called a seaman. A baby chicken is called a kutak. A baby sheep is called a semp. A baby horse is called a bellow. A baby pig is called a gemblek. Baby duck is called a mary. Baby rabbit is called a kenti. Baby swan is called a minty. Baby deer is called a comprang. Baby elephant is called a bledug. Baby tiger is called a gogger. Baby mouse is called a chindle. Baby monkey is called a cow. Baby bull is called a waring.